two basic parts of a low-cost website promotion. Anybody could own a website. Anybody could upsell their own products and services to their target audience. Anyone could try to promote their website with a low cost. But there are not many websites that have a truly successful website with traffic all day through. What these individuals or companies lack is the most essential factor of success: a low-cost website promotion that really works. If you have been trying to promote your own website and you have received traffic every hour, my hands are down for you. But for those people who need assistance, who does not have the patience to promote their own product and services, and lacks knowledge to properly advertise themselves, here are some guidelines to help you achieve success with a low-cost website promotion. Search engine submission and ranking are the two basic parts to a low-cost website promotion. Both of the parts have the same effect on the market of the website, for your products and services presented in your website catches the people's attention. The first inexpensive method of website promotion is the search engine submission. This first part is the act filing information and submitting your website to search engines. There are two types of search engine submission: manual and automatic. For a low-cost and effective website promotion, automatic submission is ideal because after filling up the information, a software program would forward this information to other search engines. The second money-saving website promotion is ranking. This refers to the numerical position in which your website appears on a search engine, based upon the website's criteria. Some search engines rank the order in which your search results appear primarily by how many other websites link to each page. The leading websites on this order would eventually fulfill a low-cost website promotion. Other types of inexpensive website promotion you could use to boost up traffic on your website are banner advertising, classified ads, text links, and section sponsorship. Banner advertisements pop up above and below web pages, and sometimes in another window. Text links and section sponsorship may cost more, but these methods helps in promoting to your specified target audience. It wouldn't harm your website to try these methods. Always remember that the effects of your not-so-costly website promotion hits are increasing significantly each day. Don't waste time. Find an effective and affordable website promotion of your choice today.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.